You look very expensive. Thank you. You got me acting unwise. Guys, I'm not expensive is the right word. Guys, Interstellar. Wait, where's my friends? Brian. Nagte-take ano lang ako, malay mo magbigay, Marky. Dami nila diyan, eh. Thank you, Brian. What's happening? I'm gonna go out. Kayat. Why are you speaking? What are you saying, Pat? Thank you, Ricardo. I'm good. Hi, Peachy. Brian, you don't have any box battle? Dennis, hello. Guys, I feel like my a bunch was missing attention. It's all right. It'd be like that. It'd be like that. Hi, Kat. Oh my God, my freaking stomach. Exclude me from the ganda ng suot mo. Thank you. I know, alam mo ba, hindi 'to nagkasya. Ngayon kasya na siya. Your stomach is like I don't wanna show my stomach because 'cause I'm sitting down. Yeah, I need attention. Oo, nag-upload ako. Mm. Yeah, we want some attention too, guys, not just you guys. Wait, lain man anong lain? I posted a TikTok. Akala ko ba Bisaya ka? Oo nga, pero hindi ako nagbibisaya. Art it later? Wait, ba't hindi ako maka-invite? Hindi siya legit. They're different is what he said. Hmm, na-heart na. Sige, heart niyo lang. It's back now. Mute niyo mga bastos. Hayaan niyo sila. Nakaka-ano. Sige Dennis, gawin kitang moderator. Kasi kailangan kailangan ko ng mga bagong moderator. Kung gagawin kitang moderator Dennis, kailangan lagi kang nasa live ko. Hi Kuya Pat. Hmm. Nasa Oo nga pala 'no, si Marky pala yung moderator ko. Hmm. Oh, no, no, no. Thank you. Ba't network error? Hindi naman ako guys, am I lagging? Am I lagging? Yes. Very elegant. Kind of, really?